Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install ink cartridges in Canon Pixma MG3650S. To install cartridges, your printer must be powered on because when you open this front door, the cartridge slot must move a little bit. So to do this, you need to provide power to your printer. Next, when you unboxing new cartridges, they have protection ribbons right here. So you need to pull on this strip and move it away. And in no case, do not touch the print head with your fingers. Also, I don't recommend you to touch these contacts, otherwise you can just damage the cartridge. So you need to unbox the cartridges and remove all protective films. Next, you need to push the cartridge slots down until they fix in the place. You will hear a slight click like this. And then the color cartridge must be in the left slot, so take it like this so that the label faces you and just put it into the slot. Just gently put, do not push, do not click, nothing. And the black cartridge must be in the right slot, so do the same and push the slot up. Now it clicks and it fixes the cartridge, and that's it. Now you can close the cartridge door and close the front door. And that's it. After this, the printer may make some noise to make its settings inside, but you don't have to care about this. You just need to make sure that the alert indicator and C and B indicators are off. It means you set up the cartridges properly and now you can continue using your printer. If this video was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye guys.